This is much more than a simple visit. It reflects mutual trust and shared commitment to innovation. I believe there are many exciting opportunities ahead. Smart manufacturing, factory automation, digitalization, and AI-driven production upgrades are all areas where both companies can continue to create value together. We also see strong potential in renewable energy applications and energy-efficient technologies, which are becoming increasingly important across many industries. Beyond technology, I believe there are also good opportunities to strengthen our cooperation globally and support customers in different markets around the world. Our goal is to evolve from traditional supply chain relationship into a broader innovation partnership and jointly contribute to a smarter, more efficient and more sustainable future.